Hi, I want to show you how you will be watching documentaries online. You will always have some sort of a discussion guide or discussion questions to fill out. If you are in a face-to-face class, you'll be using those in seminar discussions. If you are in an online class, you will likely have those as individual worksheets that you submit. So on the YVC website, one way to get there, and this might change. This is a new website, but what you need to do is under services, you want to go to library services, which will take you to the library page. Then over here you have a series of tabs, and by the way, there's some good information here about library and one single click to do a search for an item. You want to go to databases, so click on that. And by the way, this is just great information about a lot of the resources that are available to you as a YVC student. Now, I was already logged in, so it just let me in. You may have to, from the library page, in order to get into databases, it may prompt you to log in, and it will tell you exactly what you need. Your student ID number and your date of birth, usually. So if I scroll all the way down, I will see this choice for videos. And at this point, the ones I'm using are all on Canopy Streaming. I suppose that might change in the future, but for now, you click on Canopy Streaming. Ah, there it is. So I guess it let you to see the databases, but then not get into them. Mysterious. So you log in, and you are now in Canopy Streaming. So what you want to do is use this search feature right here. As far as I know, you don't have to log in, you don't have to sign up. I suppose you could search through here, but that would take forever. So just type in, you have an assignment, you know the name of what you're supposed to be watching. So you're just going to type in that name, and it auto-fills. So this one comes up really fast. One of the ones I use is Shop to You Drop. Click on that. It brings it up. And one of the things you're going to want to do before you begin viewing right here is you're going to want to maybe just scroll down and read a bit about it. It will be very good for you to know how long that documentary is prior to beginning viewing, so you can gauge whether you're going to get through it in one sitting or if you're going to be breaking it up. Here's another one I assign a lot. So that's how you use Canopy Streaming and view documentaries online.